Are you trying to install a surge protector? How will you mount it to the panel? Where do all these wires go? Well, let's talk about it. Today we're going to be installing an Eaton surge protector. However, you can apply this information to most surge protector installs. This particular surge protector was handed to me by the customer, who then asked me to install it. First step will be to remove the cover. In most cases for newer panels, a number 2 square tip is preferred. Once the cover is off, you can choose the best location to mount the surge protector. In this case, the panel is fully exposed, giving me lots of options. Remove the 1/2 inch knockout from your selected location. Then insert the wire into the panel through the hole you just created. And then secure it in place with the provided lock ring. Be careful, the threads are plastic and will strip easily. Once secured, we can begin wiring. If this is the main panel for the location, you will connect both the green and white wires to the neutral bar. Just be sure to place them under separate terminals. The black and red wires will be connected to a 2-pole 20 amp breaker. Because this is alternating current, it does not matter which side the red and black go on. That really only matters with direct current and batteries. Install your breaker and remove the 2 knockouts that are needed. Return the cover, label the breaker, and you're all set. The green light indicates that it was installed properly and that it is functioning properly. Lastly, I think we should talk briefly about whether surge protectors actually work, and the answer is, to the best of my knowledge, as a licensed master electrician, I have no idea. It's sort of like taking vitamins. You don't know for sure if it's really helping, but you take them anyway because you worry what will happen if you don't. So in short, I really don't know if it works, but yes, I installed one at my house just in case. Thanks for watching. We have a lot more content to come, so please subscribe. And hey, stay safe.